In this very short video, you are going to know how to save snake gourd seeds for the next season. To save the seeds, you need to wait until the fruit ripes and turn yellow. The timing is important. If you collect the seeds too early, then it will not be mature and will not germinate. If you wait too long, then the fruit will rot. This fruit is perfectly ripe. The process is very easy. Just cut the fruit with any sharp object. These are the seeds of snake gourd. You need to wash the seeds in normal water to remove their coating. As you can see, all the seeds are large and healthy. If you find any seed smaller than others, then don't take them. Now dry the seeds in full sunlight for the whole day. This will remove the moisture from them. If you save the seeds without drying, then after some days they will be attacked by fungus. Save the seeds in airtight container in the afternoon of the same day. Otherwise, the seeds will again absorb the moisture from the air. You can sow the seeds and grow snake gourd after the winter season in India. We will talk about that in another video. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.